Lavender, scientifically known as lavandula, is a fragrant, versatile, and beloved plant renowned for its aromatic flowers, soothing properties, and ornamental value. This perennial herb is part of the Lamiaceae family and is native to the Mediterranean region, although it's cultivated and cherished in gardens worldwide. The plant features slender stems adorned with narrow, silvery green leaves that emit a delightful, calming scent when crushed. Lavender's most iconic feature is its clusters of small, tubular flowers that bloom atop long, slender spikes. These blooms come in various shades, commonly purple, blue, and sometimes pink or white, and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies to the garden. Cultivating lavender requires well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. It thrives in dry conditions and is tolerant of drought once established, making it an ideal choice for arid or rocky landscapes. Overwatering can be detrimental to lavender, so it's crucial to avoid waterlogged soil. Lavender is highly valued for its numerous uses. Its fragrant flowers are commonly harvested for culinary purposes, added a delicate floral flavor to various dishes, teas, and baked goods. Additionally, the essential oil extracted from lavender is popular in aromatherapy for its relaxing and stress relieving properties. In traditional medicine, lavender has been utilized for its purported medicinal benefits such as aiding in relaxation, promoting better sleep, and alleviating anxiety or headaches. It's also a key ingredient in many skincare and beauty products due to its soothing and antiseptic qualities. Gardeners often incorporate lavender into their landscapes, using it in borders, herb gardens, or as a fragrant addition to flower beds. Furthermore, dried lavender flowers are utilized in potpourris, sachets, and homemade craft for their pleasant aroma and aesthetic appeal. Overall, lavender is not only a visually stunning plant but also a versatile herb cherished for its fragrance, culinary uses, medicinal properties, and role in aromatherapy, making it a favorite among gardeners and enthusiasts seeking beauty and functionality in their gardens and homes. Did you know that lavender has a rich history dating back thousands of years? It has been used by different cultures for its medicinal properties, fragrance, and as a culinary herb. Ancient Romans, Greeks, and Egyptians employed lavender for its therapeutic benefits and as a fragrance in bathing rituals and perfumes. Also, lavender has symbolic meaning across different cultures. It's associated with qualities such as calmness, purity, and devotion. Traditionally, lavender has been used in weddings as a symbol of luck and love and in religious ceremonies to purify spaces. These unique characteristics contribute to lavender's popularity not only as an ornamental plant but also as a multifunctional herb deeply woven into human history and cultural practices. Its versatility in culinary, aromatic, medicinal, and decorative uses continues to make it a cherished and valued plant.